If you're not dyslexic and you start to hang out all the time with a group of very dyslexic individuals, is it possible for you to develop dyslexia simply as a result of hanging out with them? It's not, but I also absolutely understand why someone might ask that question about dyslexia or even about ADHD or autism. Because as humans, we tend to all do a certain amount of social mimicry, as in, we look at the social behaviors of the people around us, the social traits that we see them doing, and we mimic those, often even unconsciously. And therefore, if you hang out with a group of people who all have dyslexia or autism or ADHD, and there are certain traits that they all exhibit, you're likely to start exhibiting those things. The difference between that and actually developing dyslexia, autism, or ADHD, though, is that for them, they're doing those things as a result of how their brains are wired. And even if you put them into a different social circle, they would continue to do them. Versus for you, if you start to develop those traits simply from being around them, if you go and start being in a different social circle, eventually those things will all start to fade because the reason that you're doing them was because all of these other people were doing them and that's who you were around, not because of how your brain is wired.